With St. Patrick's Day coming up, I wanted to share some easy clover-themed activities that you can complete with your kids. To create this craft, you need a foam board, green paint, marshmallows, and a paper plate. Give your child a marshmallow and some green paint. Show them how to stamp the shape of a shamrock by stamping side by side and once centered over the top. Allow them to create as many as they like. I use the side of the marshmallow to create the stem. Let them dry and display. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.